exercise 1 लेवल 1। मैं आज आपको लेवल 1 में पढ़ाऊंगा। ओके, तो लेवल 1 क्वेश्चंस। लेवल 1 का पहला क्वेश्चंस टाइप 1 का क्वेश्चन है। टाइप 1 क्वेश्चंस। टाइप 1 का वेरी इजी क्वेश्चंस। नंबर 1 क्वेश्चंस, राइट डाउन द नंबर 1 क्वेश्चंस। Suppose the selling price is given and percentage of profit is also given, and asking the second selling price. Okay, suppose a shopkeeper sells an article for 1200 rupees. Okay, and gets a profit of 25%. Selling at 1200 rupees, he gets profit 25%. The question is, at what price must he sells the same article to get profit of 40%. Okay, now the question starts. 30 seconds for you. Okay, now start the solution. The shopkeeper sells an article 1200 rupees. So the questions given SP1 पहला selling price दे दिया, that is rupees 1200 rupees. Okay, and the profit is 25%. So first we have to find out the cost price. What should be the cost price? So according to the formula, when the profit is given, cost price is equal to selling price into 100 by 100 plus percentage of profit. Okay, that means 1200 rupees into 100 by 125 rupees. 125. That means 25 4 ja, 25 5 ja. Then 5 2 ja, 10, 5 4 ja. 240 into 4. That means 960 rupees. 960 rupees. That is the cost price. Okay. Now, what is the question asked? At what price must you sell the same article to get a profit 40%? So the second selling price should be, after getting the profit, 40%. So selling price, what should be the selling price? Selling price must be 960. Kitna percent profit? 40% into 140 divided by 100. 140 means 100 plus 40%. Okay, that means 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel. 14 6 ja, 84 carry 8, 14 9 ja, 126 plus 8, 134, 1344. Okay, the answer should be 1344. Okay. Now we come to the second question. Question number 2. Question number 2, write down. Type 2 का, type 1 का second question. The shopkeeper sells an article for 2,400 rupees. Okay. And makes loss of 25%. Okay. Question hochi, if he wants to sells the same article for rupees 3,000 rupees. Rupees 3,000, eh? Okay, if he wants to sell the article 3,000, what should be the percentage of profit? The shopkeeper sells an article 2,400 rupees and makes a loss of 25%. If he wants to sell the article 3,000 rupees, what should be the percentage of profit? Okay. Now we start. Given in each case, you have to find out the cost price. पहला selling price दे दिया 2,400 रुपये, and at that time losses. That means the cost price must be greater than the selling price. Why? Because it losses 25%. Okay, so you can write given selling price दे दिया 2,400 रुपया and loss also given 25%. So what should be the cost price? Cost price means formula क्या है? Selling price into 100 by 100 minus percentage of loss. That means 2,400 into 100 by 75. Okay. 24 4 ja 25 3 ja 3 8 ja. Okay. That means 800 into 4, 3,200 rupees. That is the cost price. The question is, correct the questions. What should be the percent of profit or loss? Profit or loss. Okay. Now the cost price is 3,200. Selling price is 2,400. Okay. Loss 25%. And given the second selling price, he wants to sell it 3,000 rupees. That means he losses. How much losses? That cost price minus selling price. That is rupees 200. Okay, so percentage of loss. How much percentage of loss? That is loss by cost price. What is the cost price? 3,200 into 100. Okay. 0 0 कर जाएगा 216. 100 by 16. That means 25 by 4. 6 whole 1 by 4%. 6 whole 1 by 4% loss. So what should be the percent of the loss? Percent of loss means 6 whole 1 by 4%. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, look at the question again. The shopkeeper sells an article 2,400 and at that time index losses 25%. That means the cost price must be greater than the selling price. Okay. Again, he wants to sell it 3,000 rupees. What should be the percent of profit or loss? So we take the already given the selling price is 2,400 and loss is 25%. So at that time we can get the cost price. Cost price is equal to 3,200. Okay. And again, he wants to sell it 3,000 rupees. So it must be losses. 3,200 rupees minus 300 rupees is equal to 200 rupees losses. So now the percentage loss means loss by cost price into 100. That is 6 whole 1 by 4%. Okay. This is the type 1 ka second questions. Now go to